Hey guys, Run Ruddy here, and today we have a really exciting video. We're going to be unboxing some new arrivals, and this is some new track day gear. I have a OMP Balaclava and an OMP EVO racing gloves. Let's take a look. Alright, so this is how the packages come. It's pretty soft. It's a pretty standard mailer. This is the OMP package. It's from Winding Road. They've got a lot of locations. I ordered this one. Have a shop down in Austin. But let's take a look at the Balaclava first. You know, this is just kind of a basic OMP product. I've talked a lot about them. I think they're really great in the heat, in the cold, fire protection. So you can see it comes in kind of a plastic package here. It's pretty no frills. This is a one size balaclava, so there's not a lot of options here. It comes with, let's see if we can, owner manual. So we'll take a look at some of this. It's got 17 different languages. Okay, you get some nice OMP stickers there that can make it onto the toolbox. Really not a lot of information in here. It's really just warnings about the usage and dangerous FIA certifications, careful washing, the fabric standards for the fire retardant, no repairs, don't repair this clothing. All right, so let's take a look at the actual balaclava. You know, the Kevlar material, it's really nice. You've got the logo here with some stitching. Luckily it's on the outside. You know, this is a little bit a different design feature. I wasn't sure how this was affixed. This is actually stitched on, and there is a little bit of a rough edge where it sticks out, because this could also be screen printed, or this could be just an imprint, you know, printed impression that doesn't have thread, to where this other piece has an edge, a sharp edge that could kind of irritate your skin. But again, it's on the outside, so I don't foresee a lot of issues with it. Prior ones that I've had from Alpine Stars, they just have like a flat logo, and it's really pretty minimal. So that's one change. You know, it's nice here. You can see the FIA certification as well as that hologram. I don't know if you're able to catch that on camera, but it's kind of a nice touch. It makes it look really official, so you know that you're getting a quality product. And if you're going to buy something for fire protection, you want it to be certified. And so this one even is manufactured in 2021, which is pretty recent, right? It's still only January. Just another safety tag. So I'll go ahead and try it on. Fit is pretty good. Again, you're going to want it over your nose. I actually probably like this one better than my last balaclava that I had. The eye port seems a little bit narrower, but the top is further back. And so sometimes on my last, I don't know how good the audio is on that. On my last gear, this would slide around a bit more. So we'll see if it stretches, and we'll see if it loosens up after some wear. But for right now, it's new, it's tight, it feels great. You can see, I really like wearing these balaclavas, especially in my car, which is a convertible. It keeps the sun off of the back of my neck. All right, awesome. Well, that is the OMP Balaclava. So let's check out this other set. This is the bag. Comes in the same kind of cardboard. So we're gonna, it's great. I feel like Ryan's World over here. Anybody of you that have kids, you know this is an unboxing. All right, so it comes in a nice carrying bag. You know, definitely I'm gonna keep this. I'll keep using this to store the gloves and transport them, just to keep them clean and keep them together so I don't lose it. So again, this is the OMP 1 EVO X racing gloves. This is a white and a red. They retail for about $230. I was able to get these on sale. I don't know if they're discontinued, but some manufacturers are discounting these. Let's take a look. So pretty nice zipper. Again, comes with a similar user's manual. It's got 7 languages, kind of all the same boilerplate warnings, just about washing and taking care of it in Polish, Russian, Italian. more stickers. Gotta have stickers. So here's the gloves. They're a really soft fabric. I mean, I've had other gloves that, you know, are more durable for, like, you know, wearing and they abrasive ability. These are not those gloves. These are purely for interior purposes. You don't want to be using these on the outside of the car because I do think they'll wear quickly. The hand grip here is really nice. It's got incredible texture. It has like kind of raised nubs for extra grip on your steering wheel. So we'll see how these are in the real world, but it's got incredible tactile distinction for the different areas of the glove. So on the main palm area we're looking here, it has raised nubs, which are vertical. I don't know how to describe it, but they're like vertical posts that actually stick up. And then on the fingertips here, they have like a sticky flat rubber. And so there's a lot of grip. You know, when I'm rubbing my finger against it, there is a lot of friction, and it's a smooth friction surface. Same for the thumb. They've got more of that sticky contact patch. So, and again, both gloves are the same, left and right. Let's try them on. Ooh. So nice. So these are a size medium. That's my normal size in gloves, and these fit like a glove. But no, they're really great. They're very soft. They're a little bit thicker, and I don't know if that's just the material. I don't mind it. They're not so thick that they're like ski gloves or anything, but they're just a little bit thicker than some of the thinner Nomex versions that I've had. If you watch my other video, you've seen that I drive with flight gloves. They're super cheap, you know, they're like 20 bucks on Amazon, 40 bucks. And those are a little bit thinner and then a thicker leather type material, but still fire retardant. And these are true racing gloves. I mean, you can get a shot there. The full length, I really like that again for fire protection. If I'm getting out of the car, it's gonna protect any exposed skin here. But we'll see. I think that's it. You know, they fit great. I've got a track day tomorrow, so I will update and post another video. So be sure to subscribe and see the real world driving example with these on the track in my Honda S2000. So that's it for the review. Be sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more motorsport and car Volvo content, and we'll see you next time.